Hi, my name is Maurice Teo, Managing Director of Home Reno Guru, and today I'm in a good mood because I'm looking for a good lunch at Hawker Man at the Seletar Mall. They say the way to the man's heart is through the stomach, and the way to the man's stomach is through the eye. Feast your eyes on this. Look at this amazing wall art. I've never seen anything like this before. And today we're going to talk to the person responsible for this creation. His name, Kenny Loy from Flow Design. Hello, Kenny.
Hi, Maurice.
Nice meeting
Nice
you.
to meet you.
So, Kenny, tell us about this creation.
It's actually an original design printed directly onto the tiles using a special machine from Japan. To the best of my knowledge, this and the other one are the only two of their kind in Singapore.
Tiles are part of Singapore's architecture heritage. Was it a conscious attempt to capture the past, Kenny?
Yes, every Singaporean grew up with tiles. You still see them in shop houses and void decks. This concept reflects the Hawker Man brand and menu, which is a fusion of tradition and creativity, past and present.
So, will this idea work in a home?
Sure, why not? It's work in the kitchen, toilet, living room, residential or commercial.
Homeowners, take note. I really love the deco. It's very, may I say, Instagram worthy.
That's by design. We wanted to create plenty of photo-taking opportunities.
Hey, isn't that Roger? Just in time for lunch. Hey, Roger, come and join us. Hey, hi, Roger.
Hi, Kenny.
Hey, bro, what's nice here?
Oh, everything is good on menu, but I especially recommend the Bao Ka Liao, which has this carrot cake,
Wow.
Hokkien mee, popiah, and fried chicken.
Wow, sounds like a plan. For your homeowner out there, if you're planning for renovation, be it residential or commercial, do check out Roger and Kenny from Flow Design. So come, let's eat.